In today's video, I am going to teach you how to clear test data in Stripe. Start by making sure you are already signed into your Stripe dashboard and working in the correct Stripe account. This is important if you manage more than one account, because you want to clear test data only from the right workspace. Next, switch to the sandbox environment that contains the test data you want to remove. Before you make any changes, confirm that Sandbox is active. This helps protect your live customer and payment data from being changed by mistake. Once you are in the correct test environment, open the section from the left-hand menu that contains the records you want to clear. This could be customers, payments, product catalog, billing, or another related area, depending on the type of test data you created. Find the specific test record you want to remove and click it to open the details page. Take a moment to review the information on that page so you can confirm that you selected the correct test item. After that, look for the More Actions menu or the three-dot menu on the record page. Open that menu and check for the available action. In many cases, Stripe will give you the option to delete or archive the record. Choose the option that applies to that record type. If you are working with a subscription and there is no delete option, select Cancel Subscription instead. Stripe handles some record types differently, so the exact action may vary depending on what you are removing. When Stripe shows a confirmation message, review it carefully. Then click the confirmation button to complete the action. This may say delete, archive, cancel subscription, or something similar. Wait a moment for the dashboard to refresh, then confirm that the record is gone or now marked as archived or canceled. To clear more test data, go back to the relevant section and open the next record you want to remove. Repeat the same process for any additional test customers, products, prices, subscriptions, invoices, or other removable records. Keep in mind that some test payment records may remain in Stripe as transaction history. If Stripe does not provide a delete or archive option for those items, leave them in the sandbox environment. Continue checking each section of the dashboard until you have removed, archived, or canceled all the test records you no longer need. Before you finish, confirm one last time that you are still in Sandbox and that your live Stripe data has not been changed. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.